Hello, Miss Whitehead here today, and I'm going to show you how you will sign up for our Edmodo account. So when you get to edmodo.com, you're going to come over here to I am a student. Click on that. I'm going to put in a name, Jane Smith, for this. Then the class code that I will give you, you are going to paste that where it said class code. Then I'm going to come up with a username. So we'll see if it'll let me use Jane Smith. Nope. Let me add a 20. Okay. Then I need to make a password, and I'm just going to make mine MLE stars, something that you will be able to remember. Then click sign up for free. You'll be asked to put in your parents' email address, and I will tell you what to put in there when we are setting up our accounts. So then after I've put the email address in, I'm going to click on continue. And now we are opened up to our class. So right now I've put myself in Mrs. Essig's class. If you're in a different class, you will have a different name there, obviously. And how this will work is you'll see some posts on here. You see I have one post about a station with a note name game. There will be other posts on here as I add them to our classes. You can come over here. If there were any assignments, you would see an assignment that we would need to turn in. If you have a question, you can come up here and type your question and say maybe, Miss Whitehead, I need help with note names. Okay, then I'm going to select that I only want to give this to our class, Mrs. Essig's class or whichever class you're in. Then I'm going to hit send, and it posts up here. If you had a question for somebody else in the class, you could also post a question. Then other people can come down here. They could like your comment. They can reply to you. Same thing with anything that I post. If you have a question, you could come and hit reply. And you could come in here and say, I got all 10 correct, if you wanted to do that, and hit reply, and then I'll be able to see your comments, and so will everyone else. You do need to keep in mind that if you post anything on this page right here, everyone in our class will be able to see it. So if you have a question that's only for me, this is not where we would want to post that. We would want to do that somewhere else. So this is just a brief introduction to what our Edmodo account will look like. As I add more, you'll be able to see more things on here, and we'll go over that as we get to it. But this is a basic introduction of how we would get there and what it's going to look like.